Hello guys, um, my name is Mustafa Bahame, and I received a lot of backlash from some members of this group, but no hard feelings. It's very much okay. I understand your doubt. Now I'm here to take you around through my farm. I'm not so fluent in English, so I mean English is not my expertise, but vanilla. So you'll excuse my broken English. Now, I want to take you around through my farm. I want to show you the vanillas I was talking about, and these are the vines I was talking about. Now these vines that I'm selling, first and foremost, my farm is 5 acre. It's a 5 acre piece of land, and per acre there are about 800 to 1,000 vines per acre. I'm sorry, I won't take you around the whole farm, but I will show you the kind of vines I am talking about. Now these vines that I'm selling, they are fresh cuttings from a mature vanilla vine. Now for planting, it's always advisable to plant at least 2 meters of vanilla. It's important to plant at least 2 meters of vanilla so that it can flower quickly. The longer the vanilla, the faster it flowers. Vanilla is harvested twice a year, December, January, and July, August. And it takes about 3 years for vanilla to mature, to fully mature. And when it matures, it flowers. When it flowers, there is a process called pollination. It's usually pollinated by hands, not bees as usual. It's only in Mexico where they use bees for pollination, and it's a species of bees that we don't have here in Africa. So it's usually done by hand pollination. It's actually very, very intense. It's a very, very intense kind of job. Now vanilla grows with some form of a spot. Since vanilla is a climbing orchid, it grows with some support. As you can see, this is a jatropha tree. Not necessarily you have to use a jatropha tree, you can use any other tree, but it has to have a rough bark so that it can symbiotically, kuna vile there's a way it symbiotically survives with rough barks kind of trees. And it supports its growth, and it's usually best to have it under, to grow vanilla under a shade. As you can see, we have matoke. This is matoke. So it's always advisable kupanda vanilla chini ya shade. It does not require a lot of sunlight. It doesn't survive well under extreme sunlight. It needs at least 30 to 40% of sunlight. That's why it's under a shade of bananas, and banana shade is one of the best shade you can offer for vanilla to flourish. Now, this week I'll be coming to Nairobi. I'm delivering vines to a client in Thika, and I'll be delivering 2 kgs of cured vanilla to a different client also in Nairobi. Now, these vines, as you can see, it produces beans once you pollinate, as I said before, once you pollinate, it produces beans. Now these beans, when they fully mature, you will know them because you'll know it's mature because it turns at the tip, it turns yellow at the tip. That's when you know it's mature. Those are the green beans of vanilla. It's not processed, it's not dry, it's actually fresh from the farm. Now, and you can decide to sell it as fresh as it is. Most farmers prefer selling it the way it is. Bro, kuja ni kuintroduce kwa my people. Jangu. It's usually fresh beans when you harvest, and most farmers prefer selling it from selling it as fresh because most people don't know how to process it, and it takes time to process and to dry, to cure. Actually, it's called a curing process. Once you harvest vanilla, you can decide to go through the curing process. Curing process basically is drying. It's a drying process of vanilla. You're actually adding value to it. That's why it turns dark brown, from green to dark brown. Now the curing process takes about 6 months, maybe 6-9 months, yeah, but it adds value, extreme value. Now currently, with the current market price of vanilla, with the current market price of vanilla, it's for the green beans, it's approximately 3,000, 3,200, 3,500. That was the market price in December, and those are the effects of post-COVID. So around 3,000, around there, 3,000 Kenya shillings for green beans. A kg of green beans, approximately 3,000 Kenya shillings. Now when it undergoes the curing process, it adds value. Inakuwa a kg goes for about between 15 to 18,000 a kg once it's cured. So yeah, I'll be coming to Nairobi this week, and whoever will want some vanilla vines, I've got plenty in available. Naweza zileta na ni deliver to whichever the place you are in Kenya. And in case you also want the beans, the cured beans, easy. I mean, they're not here; they are in some warehouse. So if you also need the beans, feel free to get in touch. My number is +256 10 19 19. It's on WhatsApp. You can call. Feel free. I'll get in touch. I'm always online, so feel free to get in touch. And yeah, this one is my Stormita Shambu. This is my farm assistant. His name is Johnson. Johnson, say hi to. Yeah, he's the one who takes care of my farm. And yeah, Johnson, cheers, man. I'm talking to some friends from Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah, they want to know more about my vanilla.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's the one who helps me around, and as nimekuja kuchukua some matoke, as you can see, for my own personal use. So yeah, guys, get in touch. Feel free. I'm easy.
Yeah.
Cheers. No hard feelings. Naelewa. I had to send this video, and let me tag Nawaz and who's this other guy? Mohammed. And yeah, there's some guys there and others. No hard feelings. I just want to show you what I'm doing. Thanks. Peace out.